Welcome to Longevity Insights. Today's topic is testosterone. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes, and one of the critical factors for men is the gradual decline in testosterone levels. Testosterone, often associated with vitality and energy, is crucial in maintaining various physical and mental health aspects. Today we're taking a closer look at how testosterone can enhance longevity by supporting muscle mass, bone density, cognitive function, and more. Whether through natural maintenance or testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, many believe this hormone can be a powerful tool in combating the effects of aging. Join us as we explore the science behind 6 critical reasons why testosterone is important and how it may help men live longer and maintain a higher quality of life as they age. We'll dive into its benefits across key areas that impact overall well-being and longevity.
Muscle mass and strength. Testosterone is crucial in maintaining muscle mass and strength, which naturally decline with age. This reduction in muscle, sarcopenia, can lead to reduced mobility, increased risk of falls, and physical frailty. By optimizing testosterone levels, older adults may retain more muscle mass, critical to maintaining independence and preventing injuries that can reduce life expectancy. Bone density. Low testosterone levels are associated with reduced bone density, which increases the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Testosterone Replacement Therapy, TRT, has been shown to improve bone density, making it an important consideration for longevity. Broken bones, especially hip fractures, can significantly impact an individual's health and mortality. Cognitive function. Evidence suggests that testosterone may support cognitive function, particularly in areas like memory, attention, and overall mental clarity. As cognitive decline is a significant concern with aging, maintaining adequate testosterone levels could offer protection against age-related cognitive impairments and diseases such as Alzheimer's. Energy and mood. Testosterone is linked to energy levels, motivation, and mood regulation. A drop in testosterone often correlates with fatigue, depression, and a general decrease in quality of life. Optimizing testosterone can help maintain higher energy levels and a positive mood, keeping individuals more active and engaged, which is critical for longevity. Cardiovascular health. Though research is mixed, some studies suggest optimal testosterone levels may support cardiovascular health. Testosterone can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. However, excessively high testosterone levels could pose risks to heart health, so balance is key. Metabolism and body composition. Testosterone helps regulate fat distribution and body composition. Low testosterone levels often result in increased fat accumulation, particularly visceral fat, which raises the risk of metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and other conditions that shorten lifespan. By maintaining healthy testosterone levels, body composition may improve, reducing these risks.
So, while testosterone offers potential longevity benefits by addressing muscle loss, bone density, cognitive function, and other critical aspects of aging, it's essential to approach testosterone therapy with caution. Not all individuals will benefit equally from treatment, and there are risks involved, mainly if testosterone levels are not carefully monitored. Consultation with a healthcare professional is vital to ensure the benefits of testosterone outweigh any potential risks. The information provided in this video is a compilation of various sources on testosterone and has been condensed for ease of understanding. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.